What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we will be cooking, and what we cooking y'all about to see. Dun, 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 dun.
See.
If y'all haven't figured out what we cooking today, I'll just tell y'all we making breakfast. So all of our ingredients are out. We got the eggs, pancakes, and link sausages. Okay, so we're about to go ahead and get this video started because we hungry. We ain't ate nothing. You hungry?
Yeah, let's get that straight. Pork link sausages.
Pork link sausage. Things first, he gonna place these sausages up in the grease. Place the sausages in the grease. Go ahead. I'm trying to show him how to cook. That way he won't be like, Carissa, can you make me something to eat? No. Okay. So he got the sausages up in there. Let me see. Come around this way. Okay, y'all. So why the sausages is cooking on the stove right now? We're gonna take the eggs on out. We're gonna crack how many eggs?
6.
He wants 6 eggs. Oh, that's going everywhere. Yes, I ain't no good egg cracker. Right. These eggs big too. I don't know if we should have made no 6.
5.
Okay. How many did I? Yeah, that's 5. We can make 6. Okay. I know they're probably like, why is she putting that back in there? Throw them cracked eggshells in the garbage. Okay. So I'm gonna stir this on and stir it.
Take it back to the lid.
Come stir this. I'm gonna let my brother stir this while I check on the sausages right quick. Okay, so now we gotta get some salt and pepper. I'm not letting you pour no salt and pepper up in there. You would have me with high blood pressure. Okay, so I'm gonna pour just a little in my hand, so I know what I'm putting up in there. Okay, that's enough.
Stir.
You're gonna be like, Carissa, that's the best breakfast I done had in a long time. It's not even open.
Not open. And you know this, man. Grab the one that's open. Man.
Okay, sis, I ain't got time to be looking.
Just open it.
Yeah.
Carissa.
Stir the eggs.
The sausages.
They not gonna burn. I got this.
And
Okay, you go ahead and do the pancakes.
oh no.
Y'all know. I'm trying to show you how to cook.
I know how to cook. I'm a genius at this stuff.
You know how to get people food poisoning.
What?
I wouldn't be by eat your cooking.
My mama ate it.
Your mama crazy.
No, because me and Spotty got up and cooked breakfast for the whole house.
Did nobody eat that?
Everybody
And
ate
if they did,
Everybody
they was sick.
ate it. It wasn't nobody sick.
sprinkle a little pepper.
I'm trying to get me high blood pressure.
Am I really? Huh? Okay, y'all. We gonna set this to the side. I thought Crazy here would have went on ahead and did the pancakes, but since somebody's so scary, okay.
Hey, well, I can eat some pancakes, but I can't cook. I'll tell you that. And if I do cook pancakes, then
Okay, yes. First of all, I don't make big pancakes. Can't eat them.
me neither. My egg. Trying to mess up my egg. I'm a genius at cooking eggs.
Okay, so I got my pancake mix and my water. So all you need, and you just pull and stir. A lot of people probably use eggs and milk. I'm not using that. If it's a little too much, add a little bit more. But this don't look like it's too much. Look just right. Yeah, don't it? Make you want to eat it just like this.
Yeah.
But I'm not though. I ain't that
Can I
hungry.
flip the sausage?
Yeah, go ahead. Okay, so we're stirring. We're gonna move this on over here. And this too. Okay. I just added a little bit more water because it's a little too thick.
I'm only gonna take 4 pancakes.
Okay. Okay, so this is what my pancake mix right here look like, y'all. My eggs, so. Y'all, my brother about to have the doggone food burning.
I just flipped them.
Where and when?
Just did it. You just
Plus, guys, I wanted y'all to see like a different side of me. Ain't that right, Marianne?
Yep.
Yes.
Over there and downstairs.
Oh, yeah. Okay, gotta make sure I wipe this all down. Clean up y'all mess as y'all go.
Yeah, I need a little bit more water too.
What?
Pancake.
No, that's fine. You don't know nothing. Yeah, see, don't eat his cookie. Don't eat his cookie, cause y'all, he gonna have y'all over there with some watery pancakes, and they not even gonna cook right.
Wait, hold up. I cooked these pancakes.
Oh, really?
Yes. Just right.
Let me grab a spatula.
I cooked this.
He really think he doing something too, y'all. This is how my sausages is looking right about now. Let me cook on that side. This grease is popping. I'm about to say the hell with these sausages. You just have to have some sausages. So we're gonna let that side cook some. Y'all ain't never seen no good cooking like this, have y'all? Nope. Okay, so y'all, we got both of the skillets on. This one is on low. And this one right here is on low too. So the next step we do is butter. If I can get this open. I'm trying to record and yeah. Okay, so we're gonna put butter in this pan right here. Get a knife.
Alright.
We're gonna slide that back. So. Come on, Mr. Slowpoke. Yo, he taking forever in a day. Okay. Yeah, cut it. Okay. You trying to have me what? High cholesterol and all that?
No.
All this butter. Let me see that.
We need all that butter.
No, we don't. Yo, he trying to kill me. I'm too young. Okay. Cut some more off for this one right here.
Since you
Yeah, I got him working.
high cholesterol.
Got him working. Ain't that right, Marianne?
Yeah. You know I'm a chef anyway.
Whatever. Okay, so y'all, I hope he don't mess up these eggs either.
Hey, I ain't messing up nothing.
Just the pan.
As y'all can see, she throwing in my homemade eggs.
You ain't do nothing but stir it.
What? For real?
You stirred it with love.
Seriously? Seriously?
Okay.
I put my secret ingredients to that.
You can't even talk. We're gonna turn this up a little.
Yeah, I see.
Now the eggs are done. Now I got the pancakes on this side cooking right here. And y'all see how small they are. These are what the pancakes look like now. I'm about to get ready and flip them. Okay, so let's see, can I flip that one? Oh, nope. Make sure y'all fire is on medium so it won't burn. Okay, y'all, so this is the finishing touch of our breakfast. For more videos like this, make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace and love.
Wet, 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 wet.